lovely day. Oh, what the heck is this bouncy castle? Let me just walk in. What the heck are you doing up there?
Hello. I'm just working.
Hey, can you hold the camera for a second? I can't get up.
I'm up here, guys.
Okay, guys, we're going to be doing another challenge. That is to not touch that green. Any green. Whatever green.
But you're allowed to touch the entrance.
Yeah, you can touch.
See, okay,
Yeah, and you can touch black.
you can only touch black. So you can touch this, but you can touch the green entrance,
Yeah.
but nothing else.
Like, not the side. Not that, not that, not that.
Only black.
And especially that.
Yeah. Okay. When will the challenge begin?
Okay. Okay, the challenge is going to begin when we get up here.
Oh my God, the camera is flipping.
Oh my God.
Take the phone.
Okay, sorry guys if that was kind of black. I'll hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay.
I think the challenge has
How about the
started.
phone dropped? Wait, drop it and see what happens.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Alright. Oh!
Did you like that, guys? Was it fun? Was it not fun? Did you like it or did you not?
Alright guys, I don't know, was that fun? Okay,
I nearly touched it.
wait, the challenge begins when you come up. Okay, you know, if everything's done like what we're doing, the challenge will begin, so I can't hold that. Because I'm kind of getting annoyed from holding the camera. Okay, the challenge is going to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The challenge has begun!
Oh yeah!
Yeah. Whatever. Make sure everyone subscribe to Sky Max Murphy.
Hey, my name is not Scott and Sassy anymore.
Oh yeah, it's Scott the Crazy Man. He actually changed his channel name. Okay, are we done? Can we start the challenge?
How about Video Classlo?
Her channel is officially gone.
How do you know?
I checked and she has no videos anymore. Okay, the challenge is gonna begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the challenge has begun. Do we have anything to say?
I don't think so.
Okay, the challenge has officially begun. We can pause if we want.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh!
the
Oh!
first challenge is that we have to get down.
I already got them.
Oh! And you can go back up here. So you can
Whoa.
touch the entrance. Oh,
Oh!
guys, we might have to be careful when we get up there because there's something up there. Jump.
Oh!
How about if Doritos Reaction made a video of us, like Red.exes?
Oh yeah.
If you don't have Doritos Reaction, I actually watch every day.
And check out their channel.
Yeah, but they're not a part of this channel. They don't know us.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go on the side. I'm just kidding. And there's some rules.
There's balloons.
There's some rules.
And what are they?
That they are no pushing
Okay.
and like no kicking like people.
Can you touch that black there? Yeah.
Yeah, because that's literally
Whoa.
that. But guys, we can touch this.
Yeah.
But you know what we can't do?
Well,
We can't touch that with our finger.
what, the grass?
Yeah.
And can we touch that green thing off the tire?
If you're outside, you can touch the green things outside.
Okay.
But except the grass, because that's not the same color as this.
And you can't touch the green inside either.
Yeah. When is the challenge actually gonna end?
End?
Yeah.
Probably when maybe if like someone comes here or something.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Oh.
Yeah, you just touched me. Wait, does this count? Because that's not green. Can you touch this?
Yeah.
Cool.
You know what you think might be cheating is true. Like you can touch these handles, but not that green.
Yeah, but like you can't really get up there then.
Unless if you have pro gamer moves.
Pro gamer moves, pro gamer, or else unless you're like an insect or something.
Yeah. If you're just a basic person, just so lazy, just playing cards. Oh! Ah!
You're lucky there.
I actually almost fell. You know what the coolest thing is about this? This is the tire.
Yeah.
Look guys, I'll show them.
Did you stop recording?
Oh, I heard a noise. I thought you stopped recording. So guys, this is what the monster truck looks like. I'll just pause the game because I'll show them the tire. So guys, I paused. Okay guys, I'm paused. This is what the monster truck really looks like. That's the slide. Oh, there's some rules down here. No food or drink, no footwear, no sharp objects, no glasses, no smoking, no alcohol! Look, no alcohol!
Oh my god.
Okay, let's get back in. Okay. Ow, I actually hurt myself. Ow. I actually hurt myself. Ow! I don't know. Okay, hold the camera. Wait, what will happen if we touch green?
I think we get eliminated from the challenge.
Yeah. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. Actually. Oh. If I fell,
That's pretty good.
if I fell right there and touched that green,
You would probably be eliminated.
and the video would end. If any of us gets eliminated, we have to end the video. Like straight away, like no saying anything. But make sure to like and subscribe to Scott and Slutty. No! Scott!
I am not Scott and Slutty anymore.
Okay, Scott the Crazy Man. Why did you change your channel name? Wait, why did you change your channel name?
Because I wanted to. Because like, there's like I have more teddies, and I only my channel name is only Scott and Slutty. Well, I used to be. So it wouldn't be fair on the rest of the teddies. Sean,
If we did John Cena off this, we would easily touch the green.
Guys, I have to wait a minute. You know Sharon? She's coming because she texted. She said, "Oh, bother." Who's Sharon? Do you know Sharon? You know Sharon? I don't. Is she real? So Karen, you remember Sharon? Sharon.
Where does she live?
Back here. You know Sharon? She has
Sharon.
yeah, Sharon.
Sharon. S-H.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
No. Let me think about this. No, I paused. You could have known. Guys, I was actually paused the whole entire time. I could tell stuff. Right? And these things are like the black. Oh, I forgot. Well, I'm still paused anyway. So, are you meaning Sharon?
Yeah. Remember Eva?
Eva.
Yeah,
Eva
Eva.
has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I know. Remember they have a little dog?
Yeah, and did
Yeah,
you
that's
saw,
Sharon.
yeah, did you saw her video? She was doing makeup.
Yeah.
What's that? And now I'm subscribed to her.
Oh. Okay, let's get back to the video.
Hey.
Now, you're on pause now.
Okay, remember that we dropped the camera? Should we do that again?
So.
But this time I'll do it because okay, I'm gonna face it down this way, or should I do it this way, or should I do it that way or that way? You choose. Choose.
I don't know.
Ow! Ow! Okay. This way. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm kind of I actually kind of paused because oh yeah, now not pause anymore. Not pause anymore because he just grabbed the camera. Here, go over here. Oh, such it. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, sometimes I think that some people stop recording. Why would they add green in here?
I don't know.
What does black and green mean?
Don't know. I'm allowed to touch everything. You can just rest here all day long.
Oh!
Well,
Yeah, that was kind of a
I can just sit down.
Okay, guys, we might end the video here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do one last drop for them.
Is it my turn?
Oh, yeah. Okay, we can touch the green now because the challenge is over. We both won.
Yay!
We finally touched the green! Yeah! Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
And hold it for me now and then just give it back to me.
Yeah, we can touch green now. We can finally touch green. Yeah. Here. Do it my way.
So, pizza!
wait, you have to drop it.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna say pizza to the Rita and
Okay.
then we're gonna turn this off.
Okay. No, yeah, we have to drop it again.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna say pizza to the Rita and then when it falls, I'm gonna go down and get it and stop recording.
Okay, so we have to get in the group again.
Wait. So, pizza
Ah,